Look at these two trolleys. Both got the same push, but one moved much farther. Why did that happen? The push looked the same, but the results were different. What is the hidden reason? Can you guess?
Now look at this. A football moves easily. The stone hardly moves. What do you notice?
The same person kicked both.
But only one moved well.
Why are objects reacting differently?
Time to predict. Which cart will move faster? The empty one or the full one? Think before we test. One more question. What if we push harder? Will the cart speed up more? What do you think?
Here comes the first clue. A small push gives small motion. Interesting, right? What if the push becomes bigger? Now the push is stronger. The cart speeds up much more. So push seems important. But is that the whole story? Second clue. The same push was used again. But the lighter cart sped up more. Why? Another clue appears. More mass means less speeding up. Less mass means more speeding up. Can we now solve the mystery? Now we can reveal the idea. A push or pull is called force. Force can change how fast an object moves. This change is called acceleration.
Newton found an important rule. More force gives more acceleration. Bigger push. Bigger change in motion.
This is Newton's second law of motion. Acceleration depends on force and mass. More force means more acceleration. More mass means less acceleration. You see this every day. An empty cart is easier to speed up. A loaded cart needs more force. Now the mystery makes sense. Let's test it ourselves. Try a simple push activity. Watch carefully. What changes? One last thought. Imagine all objects had the same mass. Would motion in our world look different? Why do you think so? Here is your challenge. Think carefully. Use the idea you discovered today.